I got bros in Atlanta, twisting dope, leading the Phantom. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting off licks in the bando. Black is Phantom, white is Panda. Going out like a Montana, 100 killers on the hand.
I don't want no good girl, I've been rolling with the baddest. She told me she models and she told me she an actress. Talking about her, she been everywhere up on the Atlas. Doesn't make a difference, she's still end up on my mattress. You're 15